Kasakai Mumbai. Just to answer your question, let me introduce myself because so many people don't know who I am. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening everybody, my name is Dhruva Sarja, a Kannada film actor. I'm only 4 movies old, this is my 5th movie, and with the love and support of my family, fans and the people of Karnataka, I have come till here. This is my first worldwide press meet about our Indian movie called Martin. I'm feeling truly proud and overwhelmed to be present here. Kindly excuse us